The Parliamentary Opposition is warning of a possible increase in insurance premiums following a $500 million withdrawal from the Financial Services Commission FSC. The FSC regulates the insurance sector. Finance Minister Fayval Williams has indicated that the government's decision to take the money from the FSC does not pose a threat to the entity. However, Opposition spokesman on Finance Julian Robinson indicated that if insurance companies have to pay more money to the FSC, consumers will bear the burden.
Rethink the decision, consult with the industry, find a way to ensure if you need to make increases, phase them in. But you can't have an insurance company, one of the largest, moving from paying an annual flat rate of $500,000 to paying over $100 million. And then you expect them to absorb that. They're not going to absorb it. They're going to pass the cost on. And then what will happen? People who supposed to insure them car are not going to insure them car. People insure their houses, cannot fully insure their houses. We live in a hurricane. We live in a situation where you are going to have natural disasters and people are not going to have sufficient coverage based on this decision. It is a bad decision and I'm calling on the government to withdraw it.